I need to explain myself. There's an old video of me on my Harley, and I kinda hit a dirt patch and fell over, and I wanted to explain it to you guys. I know I said I would, and I'm following down on that promise. So before I explain anything, let's get into the video and look at it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, what happened? So what looked like happened was I hit a dirt patch, tried to go on the side of the road and stop, but fell. Now, why is this important, you ask? I just want to show you guys what not to do. So let's run it back and I'll explain everything. So here first, I was just driving down a mountain road. I needed to do something on my phone, so I was going to pull over and use it real quick because you should not be using your phone on your motorcycle. I came in to pull over, didn't even realize that where I was parking had dirt on it. Came over, stopped, hit the brakes. When you hit the brakes on dirt, your tires lock and you're done for. Worst of all, as you can see here, the bike was stuck on top of me, on top of my foot specifically. Luckily nothing was broken, but still pretty painful. And well, what do you know? I had to take a phone call right after I crashed, of course. So it was from my mother and I had to play it cool. Had to act like nothing was happening because I didn't want her to worry. So that's what I did.
IHOP.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. I know it was a short video, but this, I just wanted to test and see how this whole setup and format looks, how you guys like it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I really like this setup. So let me know. Thank you, and goodbye.